Hello, I'm cgian. This is a quick video to show how to mirror image in Canva. After starting Canva, we can choose a template to create a design. I choose a presentation, click it. So our presentation design page is created. Next, we can add image. We can go to uploads, and then we can upload the image. We can go to file folder to upload, or we can use the image that we uploaded before. For example, I click this image to import the image into the Canva design page. Next, I want to crop it. I select the image and double click, and we can crop it. So we can adjust the crop area. I crop it to half, and then press enter to apply it. Next, we can go to select the image, and I press Ctrl+C and Ctrl+V and copy and paste the image. I click and drag to snap it to make an alignment. Next, I click and drag to move to left, and then we can go to toolbar and click flip, and we can flip horizontal. So this is how we can mirror image in Canva. Thank you for watching this video. Hope this helped. Please subscribe this channel. More video will be shared with you. I'm cgian. See you in the next video. Bye bye.